episode of Love Good Time with Ivan. Hi friends, I have a surprise. My little sister Johanna is going to be joining us. Hello! Last time I introduced you to the cool cat. And what are we going to do today? With what? Playing the mouth organ. Yes, that is correct. And today, this cool cat is going to play the mouth organ. Joe, please give me the mouth organ. Thank you. And this will be how it sounds. Now, you need these buttons to create what you want. Have go! And you have to move them if you want to move it. That'll sound. It can play red, it can play yellow, it can play white, it can play blue, it can play green, it can play red. That's how it sounds. And here's the rest. Joe, play it. Oh, play them all. Wasn't the mouth organ fun? Very fun. Even what are we gonna do next? Now we will do the last level. We're gonna make the cool cat feel better when he is sick. Now, this is a thermometer. This is medicine. This is a thermometer. This is a towel. This is for putting all these things in it. And this is water. This is food. And this is broccoli. This is food. Now, let's play and see how to take care of him. We'll need the thermometer and put it in his mouth. And he has a high fever. We need to make it down. And we need to wipe his nose with the towel. Oh, yeah, mess it up. And now we need to pet him. Some water. Yeah. And he needs some of his food. I showed you 2 things that this cool cat can do, and there's many more. And so wait for my next video. And this video is done now. Bye! And please subscribe or you can comment below. Bye!